Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our Canva course from Basic to Advanced. This is lesson number 4, and in this one, we're going to explore one of Canva's most powerful features, templates. You'll learn how to use templates, when and why to use them, and most importantly, how to customize them or even create your own. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into Canva to get started. To access templates, go to your main Canva menu and click on Templates. Here, you'll find a huge variety of template categories, each designed for a specific purpose. You'll notice lesson templates, resume, posters, email, Instagram stories, video, and much more. Canva also shows you suggestions like Inspired by Your Design, which recommends designs similar to what you usually work on. You'll also see Discover Canva. Then there's What's New, and More Templates for You, featuring the latest additions. There's plenty to explore here, and it can get a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll go step by step. Let's start by selecting a template category. For this lesson, I'll choose flyers since they're simple and very effective for learning. As you can see, Canva shows thousands of flyers templates. That's a lot of design inspiration right there. The one with crown icon are premium templates. Let's pick one called Now Hiring. Click on Customize this template, and Canva will open it in your design workspace. Now that it's open, let's take a closer look. This template has a main headline, a few supporting graphics, text sections, and illustrations that visually match each point. At the bottom, you'll also notice the creator's website, which is Canva's way of giving credit to template designers. Now, let's talk about customization. Go to the Styles section on the left sidebar. Here, you can instantly change the color palette or font combination. Try clicking on different styles, and you'll see the entire design adapt automatically while still looking beautiful. You can also delete elements you don't need. For example, select an image, press delete, then go to Uploads, locate the picture. After the upload is complete, drag in your own photo. It's as simple as click, drag, and drop. If you want to replace text, just double-click on any text box and start typing your own words. You can upload videos, audio files, and even replace icons or illustrations to fully match your project. Templates in Canva aren't limited to infographics. You can use them for presentations, posters, documents, resumes, logos, and even videos. For example, if you choose a presentation template, Canva will open it with multiple slides ready to customize. If you select a video template, it comes with motion graphics and transitions already built in. You can simply replace the text, add your video clips, and you're done. That's all for this lesson on templates in Canva. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into editing and working with template elements, including animations, layouts, and advanced adjustments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.